Today is a new seller on WhatNot. We're going to be opening and unboxing. I wanted to do a quick fit check because I are heading to the doctor's office. So this is what I'm wearing. We're going to find out how my treatment has been going for the past 2 weeks. So God willing, we get some good news, some more good news. I purchased this from VIP sample sale. It was a Max Mara. I paid like 75 bucks on WhatNot, and I think it's so cute. And then I got these pants, these Zimmerman pants. Trending Sisters gifted me these pants because I love them so much. She always shows me like stuff in her palette, and she's like, I think this is for you. I think you're gonna like this. So I got these pants gifted to me from her. She is a freaking angel. Please follow her. And then this is Alexander Wang. It's matching. Let me show you guys. It's the matching bag and shoes, right? That was my right, yeah. Matching bag and shoes. So Alexander Wang. And I thought it was cute. I thought it was a look. So this is our base parents' house and the doctor's office. So again, I got this from VIP sample sale. I love this jacket. I feel like it's so cute, and I had no idea it was gonna go with these Zimmerman pants. Okay, so this is a fit. This is a fit check. A fit check. You guys need to start rating me. Like, rate me. Do you like it now? Because I'm always fighting with my sister because she's like, no, wear that, wear this, and I'm like, no, I like this. Like, you know, it's always a fight with us. But okay, so now that we done our fit check again, now we're gonna head into our unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing a new seller, and also VIP sample says is a new seller. I did the unboxing, so it will be in another video by itself. But here we go. Oh, I didn't even need my name. That's cool. So 1, ooh, sparkle, 2, and 3. So this one is the first one. I already give them 5 out of 5. Look how they package. Everything is amazing. Oopsie. I already love that. So your items are not going to be gift wrapped. So this is a top that they had selling. I thought this was so cute, and I think I have shoes that actually go with it. I think these and these go. So I knew I had shoes to go with it. So, oh, so I didn't even tell you guys the sellers. Sorry, I didn't tell the sellers. The sellers are FashionPassOutlet. FashionPassOutlet. I'm so sorry, but obviously it's on the screen already. So FashionPassOutlet. So this is one item. Second item. OMG, I already love it. Oh my god, this is so cute. OMG. I don't know how this goes. I think like this. I think like that. It's a small. It has to fit. It has ruche, like a tie over here, so she has no choice. She's gonna have to fit, but she's so pretty. Oh my god, just look at her up close. Look at her. Oh my god, she is for Love and Lemons, size small, and I got her for, I believe, $10, maybe 15. I think it was 10. You cannot beat that. Oh my goodness. Look at the details. This is the back. Like, this is, guys, I'm telling you guys, y'all need to get this. I don't want to tell y'all about the app, but I want to tell y'all about the app so that we all can enjoy these like little pieces together at a discount. But that's that one. And third item is this baby. And you guys know, you guys know I've been looking for her for forever because why? I have this top here. So I have that top here. Hi, baby.
Hi, baby. I love it.
Hi, my love.
Gorgeous.
Thank you. This is what I'm wearing to your parents.
I love it.
So I have this jacket.
Off the scale.
Thank you, my love. I have this jacket, that top, and this. I've been looking for this. It's not my size. It is a I think an extra small. It's an extra small. But you guys know, if I have to put some material in here to make it a go, I will, because I could not find this skirt anywhere. So now I have the whole set, and I will make it work somehow or the other. So that was the item I got from them. Let me put my skirts over here. Figure out and fit in. I just have to curve my mouth for 30 days, and I promise you I'll be 120 again. It's hard to curve my mouth. But for this, I'm gonna curve my mouth because she is a doozy. But I saw the items I got from FashionPassOutlet. I love it. Would I shop with them again? Absolutely. Do I recommend them? Absolutely. Packaging was amazing. They were actually really nice too on their stream. It was a girl. She was really nice. And I definitely recommend them. So please, guys, follow them, bookmark their shows, and if you want to score some pieces like this, I shouldn't have to beg you, right? You should just want to do it. And you guys know what I'm about to say. Thank you for always tuning in, for always watching, viewing, subscribing, liking, reposting. I appreciate you guys more than you will ever know. Thank you for the support, and I wish everybody has a blessed and amazing, beautiful day today, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another unboxing. Love you.